Hello and welcome to SatTV Week. In this week's programme, Trisha looks at the recent launch developments, Gabby has the news headlines, and Georgina reports on iDirect's new satellite router. But first, Eutelsat Communications has announced that Jean-François Le Prince-Ranguet is joining the group as Chief Commercial Officer and member of the Executive Committee, succeeding Andrew Wallace, who is leaving Eutelsat to pursue other professional interests. Jean-François will join Eutelsat on April the 16th to assume overall responsibility for Eutelsat's commercial activities. Now here's Gabby with the news headlines.
SES announced at the Samsung Africa Forum in Cape Town, South Africa, that it is collaborating with Samsung to drive digital broadcasting via satellite in sub-Saharan Africa. Samsung will introduce an LED television with integrated free-to-air satellite receiver, the Samsung LED TV free satellite, that will be distributed in Nigeria, Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, Democratic Republic of Congo and Cameroon in August 2012. The integrated satellite receiver will allow consumers to receive free-to-air television channels without the need for an additional set-top box, as the LED TV will be directly connected with the satellite dish. In preparation for the launch, SES and Samsung will jointly arrange training sessions with distribution partners and installers to ensure the proper connection of the TV device to the satellite dish. Both partners will also run a joint marketing campaign in June 2012. Comtech EF Data Corporation has announced the successful integration of its LPOD block-up converter with C2Sat's 2.4-metre C-stabilised VSAT antenna. The integration of the innovative products will provide maritime users with a premier satellite-based broadband communication solution for oceanic vessels in motion. The LPOD block-up converters were engineered with efficient thermal and mechanical packaging based on Comtech EF Data's extensive experience in outdoor RF transceivers. The LPOD's compact size and weight make it ideally suited for installations with limited mounting space.
Now here's Trisha with the launch news.
Following Sunday's successful launch of Eutelsat 22 on board an ILS Proton M vehicle from the Baikonur Cosmodrome, Eutelsat's global broadband maritime and aeronautical infrastructure continues to advance. Built by Boeing Space and Intelligence Systems, the satellite will provide C and KU band capacity for media, government and network services customers in Africa, Asia, Europe and in the Middle East. In addition, Eutelsat 22 will host a specialised UHF communications payload for the Australian Defence Force. The Breeze M stage of the rocket successfully released the satellite into super synchronous transfer orbit at a 65,000 km apogee. Once operational in May, it will replace Eutelsat 709 at 72 degrees east and is expected to have a useful life of approximately 18 years.
And finally, iDirect Government Technologies has released a new satellite router. Georgina has the full story.
iDirect Government Technologies is releasing its newest satellite router, which meets strict airborne communications requirements for operation on military aircraft. The new airborne router delivers broadband capabilities for voice, video and data applications that provide support for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, customs and border protection operations and emergency response missions. Compliant with the highest military security requirements, the airborne rack mount router E8000AR provides fast, reliable and secure network connections for high-speed COTM versatility. The router enables constant connectivity between manned and unmanned aircraft for uninterrupted command and control communications between theatres, ISR applications and the transmission of high-definition imagery from the aircraft to soldiers on the ground.